Explore Bangkok, Thailand, enjoying vibrant Chatuchak markets and stunning Thai temples. In Paris, France, marvel at the Louvre's art and enchanting city tours along Montmartre's cobbled streets. Experience Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, with Carlos embracing samba rhythms and Copacabana's beauty amidst captivating carnival festivities. In Sydney, Australia, Layla relishes a night at the Opera House and discovers Bondi Beach and Darling Harbour's attractions. In Cape Town, South Africa, Sam tours the breathtaking mountain scenery and delves into the country's history at the Robben Island Museum. Each city offers unique cultural insights and breathtaking sights, perfect for travelers seeking diverse experiences. From historical sites to lively celebrations, these destinations provide a rich tapestry of human creativity and natural beauty.